Hi. Let's talk about mobile applications and their testing. We use our smartphones every single day, so mobile app testing sounds like a pretty simple task. But according to statistics, users find bugs in more than half of all software. One of the reasons, poor testing. It is pretty hard to return customers' trust once a reputation has been spoiled, so the quality of apps should be treated seriously. Sounds right? Let's show you how we test apps at QATestlab. Well, we started testing mobile apps more than 6 years ago, and for today our team unites 35 dedicated QA engineers. We test mobile apps on 250 mobile devices to ensure compatibility with smartphones and tablets that customers use. Also, we use professional tools and frameworks to speed up the process and achieve effective results. So, how we do it? First, preparation. Well, QA engineers start the testing project with the analysis of product requirements and incoming documentation. We estimate the time and resources needed for testing and plan further activity. The next step is to elaborate test documentation to facilitate and structure the testing process. Among them, test plan, test strategy, checklist, test cases. The following stages to build a device matrix. Basing on analytics, we define the device models, operational systems, and screen resolutions that your customers use depending on their region, age, lifestyle, and habits. That enables us to cover up to 90% of device configurations of your customers. Testing. Stage 1. Using prepared test cases or checklists, we perform checks following standard and non-typical user scenarios. We test in both landscape and portrait modes. Stage 2. When the bug is caught, we write a bug report. It contains detailed info on bug occurrence and the way to reproduce it. Stage 3. We try to reproduce the bug on other devices related to the one the bug was caught, devices with the same OS, architecture of a processor chip, resolution, etc. Stage 4. After the bug has been fixed, we conduct regression testing to ensure that the fix has not affected other functionality. Stage 5. When efforts are justified, we write scripts in Java and JavaScript to automate test cases. That helps to speed up testing and enlarge test coverage. Stage 6. We review crash logs and system events to help developers realize the nature of failures. We use sniffers, debuggers, and consoles to track servers and check XML requests. Stage 7. When all test cases are passed, we write a final report, indicating all the work done and test results. On the average, we find more than 50 bugs in one application. After the development team have them fixed, you get a qualitative product ready to market. Sounds cool, doesn't? Actually, professional testing helps to produce an app customers will love and download 1,000 times. Test your app better than users do with QATestlab. Contact us to get professional mobile testing services.